Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create a private network on Starlink 2025. So first is you just have to enable bypass modem mode. So in the Starlink application, go to the settings, tap on the router, and enable the bypass mode. So sometimes it's called modem mode. So this disables the Starlink's NAT or DHCP features and lets you use a third-party router for all networking functions. Next is to plug in a third-party router. So after enabling bypass mode, connect your router's WAN or internet port to the Starlink Ethernet adapter or directly if your terminal supports Ethernet. And then just power it up, then use its web interface or application to configure it, like renaming the SSID or even setting the password. So next is to configure network isolation or the VLANs or the guest Wi-Fi. So with your third-party router in place, you can set up the VLANs to section off your private devices, and you can also create a guest Wi-Fi network with its own SSID, password isolated from your main network. Then just apply the firewall rules to restrict traffic between the VLANs. So for example, you could put lot devices like cameras and your work laptops on a private VLAN and keep guest traffic completely separate. And after that, just verify the isolated setup so you can ensure that your guest Wi-Fi can connect to the internet but doesn't see devices on private VLANs. You can also test the private VLANs devices among themselves and confirm third-party router receives a public IP from Starlink, so no double NAT. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!